Good morning and welcome to Armanino McKenna's webinar today, Effective Decision Support to Enable Strategic Leadership. I'm Mary Tressel and I'll introduce our program this morning. So first I would like to walk you through how to use your webinar pane. You will see your webinar pane in front of you. Please note that the orange arrow will allow you to minimize or maximize the pane. If it's minimized, simply click on the orange arrow to bring it back. Feel free to submit any questions that you have for our presenter throughout the duration of the webinar. He will handle those questions at the end of the webinar as time permits. Also, please note that all participants will receive an email within the next 48 hours with a link to download a copy of the webinar slides or to review a video of the recorded webinar. Also, I'd like to advise you on how to modify your audio settings. If you are using your telephone to listen in on our webinar, please make sure you select Use Telephone. If you are listening through your computer speakers, please select Use Mic and Speakers. If you have the incorrect settings selected, it will produce an echo sound. And now it's my pleasure to introduce John Horner, the Director of our Business Intelligence Practice at Armanino McKenna. John has 15 years of experience in applying best practice industry knowledge to data warehouse and BI implementations for a variety of industries, including retail and distribution, consumer product goods, high-tech, and utilities. After 10 years working within industry, implementing business intelligence and reporting solutions, John has spent the last 8 years as a consultant, helping other companies implement their own solutions, and he now leads the business intelligence practice here at Armanino. John has expert knowledge of the business intelligence marketplace, having implemented solutions incorporating QlikView, SAP Business Objects, and Microsoft SQL Server BI. And with that, I'm going to turn the presentation over to John. So thank you.
Thanks, Mary. Good morning, everybody. So just a little bit more on my history here before we leave this page. So I started working in the water services industry back in 1994 with business intelligence. At that point, got introduced to a product called Business Objects, which I'm sure some of you are aware of, and continued working with that product through that era until I joined a retail organization back in the UK in 1998, where I became their data warehouse and business intelligence manager. We developed a retail data warehouse, again incorporating business objects, and I was there for 4 years. I then moved on to another retail company in the UK and helped develop a data warehouse and business intelligence solution for the retail organization, but also for the solution provider, the main vendor associated with that retail organization. So good bit of experience in retail, not only on the business intelligence side of things, but also on the data warehousing side of things. In 2004, I formed my own business back in the UK, where we became a reseller of business objects and later on QlikView, providing consulting services to the retail industry in the UK. In 2008, I formed a US-based organization called Factory Information Management Solutions. We were a QlikView partner for 2 years there and merged in with Armanino in 2011. So hopefully with the introduction that Mary gave and that brief history